It's been great so far. I had my first treatment a few weeks ago. I've noticed noticeable change. This is the second time, and yeah, can't wait to see hopefully further improvements. But yeah, so far so good. There was parts of my hair where there was previously no hair, and I've noticed hair growing back. But the main one really, just put your hand through your hair, you can feel the thickness already starting to change. So it's obviously working and doing something even after just one session. I'm just really happy with the results so far, so fingers crossed for further improvements.